by default. ठीक है? And to get that to that level, you need the production support. And for a debutant like me, the production, I mean Bhuvan sir and Tagore Madhu sir, the kind of belief they have invested on me more than the money. See, money is one thing, but the belief can actually what do you call? Only when you have belief, you will pour that money into it, right? If you don't have belief, you will not do that. So, वो मिलना बहुत बड़ा बात है actually. So I am indebted to them and Nikhil sir. Apart from that, Ravi sir and Sendil sir, they were awesome. So without them, nothing would have happened. So my thing is wherever I go, I'll have to thank these guys only.
सब उन्होंने कहा ठीक है ये लोग का है, मैं तो बस था वहां पे, यही होता है बड़प्पन. गिव इट अप फॉर भारत सर, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जोरदार तालियां.
Thank you. Yeah.
ये आपके लिए है. So let me just welcome you. आमची मुंबई में आपका स्वागत है. क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
धन्यवाद. कैसे हो मुंबई?
अच्छा.
इधर अच्छा लगा? कितना अच्छा लगा? ये तो very happy to be here Mumbai, to be presenting our film in front of you and coming this summer and hoping to entertain you. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Please show your support and love. You all love movies and we love serving you people, so thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I have a lot of questions. उनके ऊपर आऊंगा, लेकिन उससे पहले संयुक्ता के लिए जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. विरूपाक्ष के बाद, what do you have to say?
I'm so happy to be here, and first of all, thank you so much, media, for coming here and supporting us. I don't know what to say. So the first time I saw the teaser was today on the big screen. But everybody have watched the film. So I was seeing it for the first time, and I've done quite a lot of signed the film long back, and then a lot of days, lot of hard work from each and every person in this team. Of course, all of us, you know, doing all those fights, archeries, and whatever we did for the film, and so finally to see that on the big screen, it's like wow, thank God. So that's what I felt, and of course I have to say thank you to my producer, director, and cinematographer, of course, and Nikhil, Nabha, Ravi sir. Thank you. Finally meeting you for the first time, big fan. Thank you so much, guys, and I would say that this is a very honest effort from this team, and you know, coming together. See, every department is present here to promote this film. That speaks a lot, you know. In the first teaser that we are releasing, and we are right here promoting the film in Hyderabad, and you know, coming, you know, flying down to Bombay. I don't know if this is the right place to say this. I thought I'll say this probably closer to the release, pre-release. I asked Bhuvan, tell me honestly, what do you feel about the film, because you have watched it? He said, it's gonna be a hit. That much I know. So a producer is saying that, and he's, to what level we don't know. Then I'll say it's okay, we'll just talk about it, hype about it, we'll go everywhere, we'll give like all in to promote the film, to take our film to wherever, and you know, to speak and just be there for the promotion. So that's a confidence that's coming from the producer, and he has invested a lot, guys. So yeah, I think it's a very wholesome feeling, you know, to see. I think we all live for cinema, very passionate about cinema. I love it.
Absolutely. वही होता है सबसे बड़ा, you know, जो रिटर्न होता है कि तालियां सीटियां मिलती रहनी चाहिए, and organically अगर ऐसा.
That's it, and it can go anywhere, like to, you know, whatever level. So finally, at the end of the day, we are just at the mercy of the audience. Hope they love, and I'm sure they love it.
बस ठीक है, she said it. Yeah, give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. And now it's time to talk to this superstar. सर, कार्तिकेय 2 की बात होती है, लेकिन let me tell you, उससे पहले से in this part of the country, you know, we've seen your movies. बड़ा सारा प्यार उससे पहले से आपको मिलता आया है. अब
Secondly, I want to say, मैं सारे मीडिया को धन्यवाद बोलना चाहता हूँ. आप सब लोग, you know, I know you've been waiting for some time. We apologize because, you know, सुबह में, like, you know, हैदराबाद में इवेंट था और फ्लाइट थोड़ा लैंड होने में टाइम लग गई, से इसीलिए हम like we are a little late, but thank you so much, and you have always supported me. कार्तिकेय 2 के लिए, you know, all the effort and, you know, all the love you have given me and the support you have given me, I was a nobody, like maybe my top films would come, but उस film के time पे I know you tweeted about it, talked about it, wrote reviews about it, and on YouTube everywhere it was there, and it was given so much love. It made so much money here in at the box office in Hindi too, and I'm always grateful for that, and I want to thank you all, and I'm going to keep coming, and I want to take, I want to meet all these influencers, even the smallest of the smallest, people who have helped us, and I also want to request that सबको कनेक्ट होगा और आप सबको बहुत पसंद आएगा, इसीलिए मैं वापस आया हूँ स्वयंभू के साथ और इतने बड़े स्टारकास्ट के साथ और इतने टॉप टेक्नीशियंस के साथ. यू हैव गॉट रवि बसूर सर, who's like India's right now, what India's like world's most like sought after music director, and Sendil Garu, who's like gone to the Oscars, like in his frames of like created sensations, and everybody's here like Samyukta, Naha, and so many more actors who have not come, and you're going to meet them in the future, like Subraj Garu and Sunil, and got many stars, even Nawab Shah who's like here, Mukesh Khanna sir who's here, the Shaktiman is part of our film. Swayambhu mein hai wo bhi. So we're all going to be there for the trailer, and I'm very happy that you enjoyed this trailer too, teaser too.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I love you. No, we love you. I love you so much, and I'm going to spend more time, and हम सब मिलके बात करेंगे. We'll have a nice conversation very soon, whenever you guys are ready.
Before anything else, मेरे को एक बात बताइए, मेरे को